Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine and I'm back with some more content for you guys. Today I'm going to share with you some minimal Christmas decor. I know I was almost not going to share it because, I don't know, just felt like it was really minimal and almost pointless. But I asked you guys and you guys said to share it, so I'm sharing it with you today. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's super minimal, don't expect crazy Christmas. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. The ends of the garland are hung up on S-hooks and they're just right outside of the bracket, so it holds them in place. But yeah, I just used an S-hook. Here's our tree. About to get the lights on. Oops. You ready?
Yeah. Tree. It's easy as a bird.
Down here is looking a little sad, so I think I'm going to put like another blanket under it just to kind of fluff it up a little bit, and then put this burlap thing over. This was a moving blanket. My dad was a mover, so he had a bunch of these, and my mom was like, here, take this, so I took it. Okay, so this company sent me these curtains. I will link them down below. I'm debating if I should put them here instead of these curtains I currently have. It's my favorite part of it all, when you and me deck the halls. Okay, so you guys vote if we like this side better or this side better. And I'll switch out the little hooks. If I do keep this color, I'll put the little hooks at the top. If I don't use them in here, I will use them somewhere else, so they won't go to waste. But just let me know what you guys think in the comments. So I'm going to share with you guys a few DIYs. All of them are super simple. Anyone can do them, and you could see even my niece is helping me. So if you have kiddos, these are super fun, easy things you can do with them. So I just grabbed some dried florals. I also made these last year. You just literally cut up pieces of dried florals and pop them into a glass or maybe plastic clear ornament. I used glass just because I like the look of them better, but honestly I don't think you could tell the difference. Next, I grabbed some fishing line because I wanted to hang them from the window, but obviously you could use these on a Christmas tree and they would look really pretty. I did that last year, but this year I wanted to hang some in the window. So then I just added some fairy lights that I had to add a little bit more of the Christmassy vibe. Next up we have the super trendy lunch bag snowflakes. I've been seeing these all over Instagram. They're super easy to make and super cute. So I just glued 9 lunch bags together. I used hot glue, but you could use any glue, and then you just cut the end into a point. And then somewhere along the sides, you just cut out a triangle on each side. And this is literally like making snowflakes in elementary school. It was so simple, like under 5 minutes, really quick, easy DIY. The last step is you put glue on the back side and then close it up. And that's it. I strung mine with some more fishing line and hung them also on the window. And then I wanted to use the scraps to make something else, so I just glued the triangle scraps from the snowflake together to create a paper ornament. I wanted to make like a little Christmas tree or something just to add that paper ornament to our Christmas tree. So that's what I did. I initially had seen some at IKEA, but they were all sold out by the time I was ready to grab some Christmas decor, so I had to create my own. And then I just added a wood bead to the top. Then I created this little like snowflake star with pine cones, these mini pine cones. I just glued literally 5 of them together, just putting 1 dab of glue on each side and then sticking them together. And then for the back, I just glued on a piece of twine so that I could hang it. And then next I had some of these rusty bells I grabbed that were 50% off from Hobby Lobby, and I just did the same thing, just put a piece of twine through them and then hung them on the tree. I had 2 different kinds of bells, which I will show you in the afters. And then the last ornament I made, I really wanted to create some sort of angel with like macrame cord or some kind of string. So I used this string that I had. It's like a very, very thin macrame cord. And then I just wrapped it around as if I was making a tassel. I tied a piece of string through it and then strung a bead on the top to create like the head. And then I tied the knot of string that would be where I hang it from on top of the head. Then I wrapped another string around my hand just to create like the wings or the arms, like in a very flowy way. And then I just tied that through the middle to create the angel. It doesn't look exactly like an angel, but I like that it adds a little lighter element to our tree, bringing in more of that like cream color because we had a lot of dark like brown and gold. So this was a perfect contrast for the tree to create the vibe I was going for. So you want to add a little Christmas over here. I don't want to change it too much, but I do want to add a little bit. So I'm thinking pine cones inside the bowl and then maybe my nativity scene and a couple things here.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. We'll be chilling and having
love the way that it turned out. It's very minimal and it's just kind of where I'm at. So let me know what you thought about my take on Christmas this year. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow here, which I'm so thankful that you guys are with me on this journey. As always, keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.